Hi, in this video, we're going to show you how to update a listing status in the REBNY RLS using RealtyMX. We'll show you how to change the status to in contract, closed, or simply to delist the listing. So first of all, find your listing, hit edit, and then you'll see the status options here. So if it's active, it'll say for sale. Then if you want to list it as in contract, you simply hit in contract and then you hit submit listing. And you'll notice that the status has changed. Now, if you want to go back to my listings and you want to update it to sold or to delist the property, you would do something very similar. Hit edit, and then you hit, for example, delist. Unless the seller has requested it to be off market temporarily, for Hauseit we only allow delist, so this means you would select off market withdrawn. Hit OK, and the property has been delisted. Similarly, if you wanted to update the listing to sold, you would do something similar here. For example, you would mark it as sold and then you would hit submit listing. You see here, to mark it as sold, an additional field is required by the REBNY RLS. Requires a closing date, so since you are updating listing as of today, it should always be timely and it should always be today's date because it should be done within 24 hours, even for the REBNY RLS. Try again, and you'll see that closing price is another required field. So let's say hypothetically, you want to enter this, and then you hit OK, and then this is how you would update the listing. Of course, we're not going to actually do this, so we hit cancel. But as you can see, you'll need this from the client. For us, it'll typically come through a ticket and you'll see what the closing price is, the closing date, which should be the same day you're updating it, and you simply hit mark, submit listing. So that's how you update a listing status to in contract, sold, or to delist, so to withdraw the listing. These are the main status changes that you'll see in the market and that we allow here at Hauseit for our DIY listings. We hope you found this video helpful, and we'll see you on the next one.